Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will demonstrate how to make different decoratives at your home. At first we have taken a small mannequin and we are making a dress for it. After making the dress we will make the accessories and your mannequin is ready. Next we will use the clay and we will make a shape from it, and we will make some different color shapes with the clay, and then we will paste it to the balloon. After pasting it, we will burst the balloon and we will make a lamp from it. You can see we have bursted it and the lamp is ready. Now we will see how to make a beautiful hair clip. We are using the thread and a pencil. You can use a pen as well to give the thread a shape. You can see how we are doing it, and after giving it a shape we will pull a knot and we will pull it out. Next we will see how to make a haunted toy. We are making 5 eyes and then we will paste it to the plastic and the paper cup, and after we will blow it to play with it. How enjoying it is looking. Here we are using rubber band to make bracelet. We are using 2 sticks to give the bracelet a shape. You can see how patiently we are doing it. You can follow the steps and then you can make it too. After giving the shape we will knot the end, and after giving the knot we will attach both the ends together and give it another knot, and then your bracelet is ready to use. Now we are using some graphic paper. You can see you can use any paper to it to make a small cute purse with paper. You can see how we are giving the folds to it to make the purse. We have made the purse almost complete, and now the texture. Now we will see how to make a boat from a small bottle. You can see how we are knotting the rubber band, and then we will make the fan of the boat. You can follow the steps and your boat is ready to go under the water. Thank you very much for watching.